Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to load online x64.dll dynamic link library. So there's a three solution here that you can try. The first solution, you can check if the online fix64.dll file is quarantined on Windows Defender. You can run third-party antivirus or your Windows Defender and try to access protection history and then quarantine item. You can try to restore to recover the quarantine file here. And of course, the second, you can reinstall the program or the game and try to reinstall the program, the software. Next, you can try to run FFC command line. So you can press Windows R in order to open run window here. Then you can type CMD and you can try to type SFC space hashtag scan now in order to fix by system file check, repair the corrupted and missing system files. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.